Generally, there are two types of aspirants who give multiple attempts. One of them are those who don't know what is 100% UPSC preparation. The others are those who are not guided well. Now, if you don't want to be any one of them, and if you wish to give your best attempt with your 100% efforts and by tackling all the dark areas of UPSC preparation, here at Sunya IAS, myself Sugam Bansal brings you Brahmastra program. In this particular video, I would like to discuss few pointers on various themes with you. One of the themes will be expectations, that if you want to explore this program, what are your expectations from us, what are our expectations from you, right? And both these expectations will lead us to some broad goal. So what I will be doing, I will be discussing the expectations, then I will be discussing that what goal we are trying to achieve. Now after this, I would bring into picture the components of Brahmastra program. See, there are some expectations. Now those expectations have to be met by the components of the program. Okay, so these components, that what are those components of the program, I will be discussing with you. So first of all, let's start with the expectation. See, the only expectation we have from your side is your 100% commitment. With commitment comes the 100% efforts. That is it. If you are ready to commit yourself for the next few months, or let's say a year, then you are fulfilling your fulfilling our expectation. Now there will be some expectations of you from this program. See, first of all, I told you that we expect that you are giving your 100% efforts. Now in this program, we will try to funnel your 100% efforts through the help of right guidance. Now right guidance at two levels: at the level of one-to-one mentorship or a personal mentor, and at the level of super mentor sessions. These won't be some strategy sessions, these are comprehensive day long sessions. I will come to it. So with that right guidance, we will ensure you are writing your best attempt. Now let's see, what do I mean by best attempt. See, if you will agree with me, sir and ma'am, 90 or more than 90% of the students think that UPSC preparation is all about completing the basic sources and doing the foundation. यार मैंने अपने ये सारे बुक्स कंप्लीट कर ली तो मेरी यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन पूरी हो चुकी. That is where the gap lies, because you are not tackling or you are not confronting the dark areas of the UPSC preparation. आपने सुना होगा यार आंसर राइटिंग में बहुत तकलीफ होती है, ऐसे तो मैंने कभी नहीं लिखा. मेंस के जो पेरिफेरल टॉपिक्स हैं, लेट्स से वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री मैंने बोल दिया, इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी बोल दिया, ये तो भाई पढ़ा ही नहीं कभी. तो if we are not confronting to the dark areas of UPSC, we are not done with the 100% of the preparation. So there should be some hierarchy, there should be some level of the UPSC preparation. Now if I discuss the level 1 with you, the level 1 is very basic, you all may know it, that is doing the sources. Now sources can be done by two methods. First of all, you might be doing your foundation classes, कहीं आपने शायद फाउंडेशन ज्वाइन कर रखा होगा, तो वहाँ पे if you're doing all the subjects, all the 25 subjects, this 25 subjects, mind my number, this I will discuss in some other video. So if you've done all your 25 subjects, you are done with your sources as well. It could be done through the foundation, it could be done through some standard books. For example, some of you may be, let's say, reading Lakshmikant for the polity, maybe Vipin Chandra for the history, modern history, right? So if you have done your sources, that is the level 1 of the preparation. But sir and ma'am, it's just 20%, it's just 20% of the entire show. अगर आप अपनी सारी किताबें कर लेते हैं, फाउंडेशन कर लेते हैं, ये सिर्फ 20% है आपकी पूरी तैयारी का. Now where the other 80% lies, that is nothing but the dark area, the areas which more than 95% of the aspirants do not touch. And that is where people end up giving attempts के बाद attempt. और गलती बच्चों की नहीं है. Let me tell you very frankly, Mistake is not at your hand. You join some coaching, you join some institute, you realize कि यार मैंने फीस भरी है, ये मुझे पूरा करा देंगे. But you may let me know in the comments, जो भी multiple attempt दे चुके हैं, they will agree with me. Whatever you are doing in the coaching institutions in your foundation is just 20% and even less. The rest is about to come in front of you. And if you don't know about all those levels, ऐसा नहीं आप कर नहीं सकते हो. आप समझो इस चीज को. It is not at all about that you cannot do level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. No, it's just you don't know those levels. आपको पता ही नहीं है कि वो levels exist करते हैं. And if you are unaware about those levels, you learn about those levels by your own. आप खुद से सीखते हैं, attempt देते रहते हैं, सीखते जाते हैं. अब जिसके भी 3 या 4 attempt हो चुके हैं, they will agree with me that sir, 100% of the preparation is all these 5 levels. Level 2 is, level 1 हमने देखा है sources. Level 2 is exam orientation. आपने सुना होगा, भले ही आपका पहला अटेम्प्ट है, बट आपने सुना होगा टॉपर नोट्स होते हैं. कुछ टॉपर अपने खुद के नोट्स बनाते हैं. See what is happening, whatever you are doing in your sources, be it your foundation class or be it your standard books, that is just knowledge, information which is leading to conceptual clarity. You're gathering knowledge, you're gathering information, it is leading to some conceptual clarity. आपके concepts clear हो चुके हैं. But क्या आप exam oriented हैं? What if I ask you the pointers, will you be able to tell me all the points? वो दिक्कत का विषय है. That is a problem statement. That whatever you have read is just the knowledge, just the information, but that is not exam oriented. I will give you an example now. ठीक है? For example, in your history ka book or maybe in your foundation courses, you might have read about Mahatma Gandhi ji. All of you. ये basic है, हर कोई पढ़ाएगा. ठीक है? So whatever you have read is all about his, let's say, where he was born, what he did in South Africa, then he came back to India, what he did in India. So in the time-based approach, you read about Mahatma Gandhi ji. But will UPSC ask this? हाँ या ना में जवाब दीजिए. क्या यूपीएससी आपसे ये पूछेगा महात्मा गांधी जी ने साउथ अफ्रीका में क्या 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 कर दिया या क्या 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 किया? नो. रिकॉल द पीवाईक्यूज अगर आपने पढ़े हुए हैं यूपीएससी के मेंस के. तो व्हाट इज द कंटेम्पररी रेलेवेंस ऑफ महात्मा गांधी जी टीचिंग्स? व्हाट इज द आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस बिटवीन महात्मा गांधी जी एंड सुभाष चंद्र बोस? व्हाट इज द आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस बिटवीन महात्मा गांधी जी एंड लेट्स से रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर? बहुत ब्रॉडली आई एम पुटिंग इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. What I am trying to make a point, sir, whatever knowledge you had from the foundation, where he was born, what he did in South Africa, what he did in India, is insufficient to answer whatever I am asking, whatever UPSC asks in the PYQs. That means you have to funnel your knowledge in such a fashion that you are exam oriented. अब आप क्या करेंगे? You will write the political contributions of Mahatma Gandhi ji, social contribution of Mahatma Gandhi ji, ideological contributions of Mahatma Gandhi ji, maybe technological contribution of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and you will list them in your separate notes. And those notes are known as Farra or maybe topper notes in the market. And if you're not doing it, you will not be able to recall the content, sir and ma'am. And even if you're able to recall, you will not be able to write the content in the limited time. Means में आपको आंसर राइटिंग बहुत लिमिटेड टाइम में करनी पड़ती है. 7 मिनट में आपको आंसर लिखना पड़ता है, 8 मिनट में आपको आंसर लिखना पड़ता है. That is the constraint, right? So the level 2 of the preparation is that we should have the exam oriented notes. Now, sir, क्या ये खुद से बनाने हैं? अब मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, क्या आपके पास इतना टाइम है? वैसे इस पर बहुत बात करेंगे और किसी सेपरेट वीडियो में बहुत बात करेंगे. अच्छा डिटेल टॉपिक है that how to get your preparation exam oriented. First of all, level 1, that you should have the knowledge, it is required. Level 2, exam oriented content. खुद के नोट्स होने चाहिए या बाहर से लेने, बात की स्टोरी है, बात करेंगे उस पर. Totally depends on the time. Okay? Let's come to the next level, level 3. Level 3 is level of enrichment. See, you may have the point. I'm asking you, let's say, the pointers for causes of poverty. You may have the points, a lack of access to education is a point, or maybe some other lack of skills is a point, or maybe you told me 5 or 6 points. I agreed with you. But there is candidate 2 who is listing the same points, exactly same whatever you listed. But he is giving some arguments, some value additions, some data, some facts, some examples, which is validating the points he is putting. You told me lack of access to education, but he also told me the same point, but he added some data or maybe some example to his points, all the points. You will get more marks or that guy will get more marks. You will agree with me that he will end up getting more marks. So all those tools, data, facts, reports, case studies, best practices, important judgments, committees, recommendations, keywords, schemes, many more, those are nothing but enrichment tools. See, it's all about competition. आप एक बात बहुत क्लियरली समझ लो, 10th का एग्जाम नहीं है कि 33% लाओगे पास हो जाओगे, कंपटीशन है. तो अगर किसी ने जनरल पॉइंट्स लिखे हैं, यू नीड टू एनरिच योर पॉइंट्स. That is where you will win the race. It's race, it's competition, right? So level 3 in this preparation is enrichment. Now many of you do not either go into the enrichment or you think मेरे foundation में कुछ data दिया था वही मैं कर लूँगा, वही मैं लिख आऊँगा. बेटा, that is not how the things are done. You see any topper, they will have their own files of enrichment, they will have their own strategy of enrichment. If you are not doing enrichment, you are not doing justice with your preparation. You're not 100% complete in sense of preparation. आप समझो इस चीज को. कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं आएगा, कभी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा आपको प्रिपरेशन पे. Are you getting my point? Now, this is another 20%. So 20% was sources, 20% exam oriented, 20% enrichment. Now, next comes art of answer writing or art of marks. I am saying you have the knowledge, you have the content, you have the enrichment. What if I ask you to write the answer, you are going blank? What if there is no one to guide you how to write a good answer? Coaching foundation में मुझे नहीं लगता जितनी भी बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं they teach answer writing that well. Yeah. So what is the basic art of answer writing? What are the parts of answers? What are the toppers strategy, mindset, tools to write a good answer? कुछ भी नहीं आता तो क्या करना है, parts कैसे break करना है, structures क्या होते हैं, how we have to funnel the information. You cannot memorize everything, right? आप सब कुछ याद नहीं कर सकते. So there should be some structures, there should be some funnels which should be used to write the good answers. So all those tools are again the dark spot. और बहुत से बच्चे फिल्म्स क्लियर करके मेंस में सिर्फ इस चीज पे स्ट्रगल करते हैं. सर आंसर राइटिंग है क्या चीज, कैसे करनी है? See, I am लिस्टिंग द प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स एज ऑफ नाउ. आप बस रिलेट कीजिए कि हाँ ये एग्जिस्ट करता है या नहीं करता. देखो, या तो दो चीज़ें हैं, या तो अपने आप से झूठ बोल लो या सच बोल लो. सच बोलोगे आगे बढ़ते जाओगे, झूठ बोलोगे तो वहीं पे रहेंगे हम लोग, आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते. सिंपल सी बात है. तो दीज आर द डार्क जोन्स इन द प्रिपरेशन फॉर श्योर. देन वी हैव द डार्क जोन्स इन द प्रैक्टिस. 2 महीने बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस की, फिर 6 महीने का कोई अता पता नहीं है. So what is the basic issue? What are the areas which we have to practice? Every one of you should practice at least PYQs. एग्री करो या मत करो, ये सत्य है. PYQ करने ही पड़ेंगे आपको. Then second which you have to practice is a good test series. सारी टॉपर्स की वीडियोस देख लो, यही निष्कर्ष निकलेगा. PYQs करने ही करने हैं और एक टेस्ट सीरीज लगा लेना. मानते हो? तो what I am saying, first sources, exam orientation, enrichment, then art of marks. In prelims, aptitude. भाई prelims सारा गेम नॉलेज का नहीं होता. How we have to use the aptitude, how we have to use the factual accuracy, how we have to use the knowledge in order to ensure we are qualifying prelims. ठीक है? Art of marks. Then we have practice. So these are the gray, or what I can say, the dark areas in the UPSC preparation. If I conclude, generally the voids are lack of exam orientation. ज्ञान है भर भर के, बट बोल दिया आंसर लिखो, डब्बा गोल. ठीक है. सेकंड इज आंसर राइटिंग में कभी की नहीं है तो करते भी नहीं हो, फिल्म्स हो जाएगा तो देखी जाएगी. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द इश्यूज इन एनरिचमेंट. पहली बात तो पता नहीं है, पता है तो कहाँ से करना है ये नहीं पता, कहाँ से करना है ये नहीं पता तो किया नहीं है, कर भी लिया तो याद नहीं है. एनरिचमेंट में देयर आर मल्टीपल इश्यूज टू वेरियस स्टूडेंट. देन वी हैव फीडबैक एंड कोर्स करेक्शन. भाई पॉलिटी यू आर पिकिंग अप, यू आर गिविंग 2 months टू द पॉलिटी, मे बी 45 days टू द पॉलिटी. You are then picking up economy, you are giving next 2 months to the economy. Then you are picking up geography and environment, you are giving next 2 months. 6 महीने यहीं पे खत्म हो गए. You just have 9 or 10 or maybe 11 months maximum in your preparation. क्यों? Because sir, until February you have the time. February, post February you just have the time for the prelims. So if I talk about the time for the preparation, you just have the time until February month. वहीं तक का गिनेंगे आप. or if you're ending up giving 6 months to these 3 subjects, you're not on the right path. So you are not guided well. That is the only thing which I will make in front of you. You don't know what are the complete sources. Many of you relate with me, है ना, relate करो थोड़ा ज़्यादा सब. रजिस्ट्रेशन लेना मुद्दा नहीं है, मुद्दा है प्रोग्राम समझो पहले कि फायदा क्या करेगा. ठीक है. नाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रीड लक्ष्मीकांत फॉर पॉलिटी. एग्रीड. पॉलिटी के लिए लक्ष्मीकांत पढ़ते हैं आप लोग. मैं बोल रहा हूँ आप लक्ष्मीकांत के 3 या 4 रिवीजन करिए. यू रिवाइज लक्ष्मीकांत फॉर 3 to 4 times. Then I will give you the question paper of any year of your choice. Be it 2023, 2022, 2021, 2024, whatsoever you want. I will keep the GS2 ka paper in front of you. You just attempt 50% of the questions, means questions of polity after reading Lakshmikant. Again, I am asking you a simple statement. Is polity sufficient for the UPSC preparation? Not prelims. UPSC preparation. Sir, आप 50% छोड़ो. You cannot even solve 2 or 3 questions in the mains after reading Lakshmikant. After reading, I'm not saying making it exam oriented. वो different story है. Just after reading Lakshmikant, you cannot solve mains questions. That is a brutal truth. बहुत से टॉपर से सुन लोगे, बहुत से अच्छे टीचर से सुन लोगे. ठीक है. Now, issues in time management. Okay. Sir, we are not able to manage optional. Many of you lack the depth in the optional. Many of you lack the depth in essay, ethics. You consider them peripheral. भाई गवर्नेंस नहीं पढ़ा, सोशल जस्टिस का तो सिलेबस नहीं पता. मैं बता रहा हूँ, these are the basic problems with the students. Why? Not कि आप you cannot do or you cannot read social justice. It's all about you are not able to manage your time. You're not able to divide the time between CSET, optional, GS, current affairs and the peripheral subjects, between prelims and mains, answer writing and practice and revision, right? That is the issue. The other issue is then practice, PYQ, lack of guidance, same, all those things, right? Let's not waste the time here. Now I will switch to the Brahmastra. See, Brahmastra is a program which will ensure that from end to end, I am saying from end to end, your level 2, level 3, level 4 or level 5 of the preparation is ensured. And level 1 is full proof. Matlab, whatever sources are there in your preparation, those are complete. First thing. So in level 1, we will ensure your sources are complete. Level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5 is entirely our responsibility. Whatever is hindering you to crack the UPSC despite of your competency, efforts, we will ensure that is not the case anymore. And that is where we are trying to enable you to give your best attempt. Okay? Let's see how the components now will help us to achieve the broad goal. So if you remember, I wanted to discuss expectations and components. So see, expectations we are very clear in front of us, you know, that we have to complete all the 5 levels of our preparation. Now how we will be doing it is through the Brahmastra component. So first of all, understand one thing, that Brahmastra is a program which has a broad schedule, a broad scientific schedule, in which in phases we are upgrading your preparation. Now upgrading the preparation will be the task of all the components of the Brahmastra. Understand? See this, what I'm saying, when you're preparing for the exam, I want every one of you to have 3 things with you. First of all, a long-term targets. Let's say within 6 months I have to complete my syllabus, then in 3 months I have to complete this, then in 2 months this, and then in 1 month this. These are nothing but long-term targets. I may be very crude with you, but let me tell you one thing. In Brahmastra, myself, define your yearly plan or the long-term plan to be very true. You will get a diary, a Brahmastra diary, the program. In that diary, if you are online, I will write on a paper, I will send you the photo. If you are registering offline, I will make your broad long-term targets, so that you have that clarity that in what time we have to achieve what levels. लेवल 1 कब खत्म करना है, लेवल 2 कब स्टार्ट होगा, 3 कब इंटीग्रेट होगा, 4 कब इंटीग्रेट होगा, देन सारे साथ में कब चलेंगे. तो ऑल दोज yearly, what I can say, not yearly, long term milestones. Generally, I use the word milestones. Long term milestones I will be defining personally for all of you. Whether you're working, whether you're full time, whether you're in the 5th attempt, whether you're in the last attempt, whether you're in first attempt, foundation chal raha hai, nahi chal raha hai, in all the cases, these are personalized. It totally depends what is going on in your life. Okay? So that is something which you will get from me within the 10 days of the registration, right? Long term plan. Now understand, long term plan is something which will keep us on the right direction, but that path has to be traveled in some, let's say, breaks. सिंपल सी एनालॉजी है, लेट्स से आपको 1200 किलोमीटर चलना है, ठीक है? तो 1200 किलोमीटर आप कैसे चलेंगे? एक बार में तो मुश्किल है, गाड़ी से जा रहे हैं तो what you will do, you will travel, let's say, 150 kilometer, then you will take a break of maybe lunch, then you will travel more 150 kilometer, then break, and so on. You will keep on traveling. So what I'm saying, those small targets we will be defining through periodic target, that in now next 20 days we have to complete our polity. Now polity we have to complete, just I'm giving the example, do not take कि यही program का part है, मैं एक example दे रहा हूँ, आप ऐसे समझिए. Now I'm saying in 20 days you have to complete polity. In long term target I told you in 5 months you have to complete a syllabus. I'm saying in 20 days you have to complete the polity. So what you have to do, you have to do the concept, you have to understand the subject, you have to revise the subject from the exam oriented point of view. याद है गांधी जी वाला example? So गांधी जी का story you will read, you will revise it in the exam oriented format, then you will practice it. Now for that practice पढ़ेंगे आप अपने सोर्सेज से, रिवाइज करेंगे सोनिया नोट से. प्रैक्टिस के लिए देयर इज अ इंटीग्रेटेड प्रीलिम्स कम मेंस टेस्ट सीरीज व्हिच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम. ठीक है? सो दैट फॉर एग्जांपल इन 20 days you have to do the polity. Within those 20 days there are 5 tests placed in small duration, integrated. Let's say if there are 2 tests of prelims, then 1 of mains, then 1 of prelims, then 1 of mains. So that is how in the integrated fashion your polity will be done. You have done your sources, you have done the revision, you have done the practice, and revision from the exam oriented sources. Okay? So what I'm making a point, long term, then some periodic targets, subject wise targets, which is what I can say tied with the integrated prelims cum mains test series. Now third thing is daily plan. See, the pain point of you is very simple, बहुत simple है, मैं आपको आप relate करो, that you are not able to manage current affairs, set, GS and optional. अगर ये दर्द कम हो जाए ना तो आप अपने आप अपना रास्ता ढूंढ लोगे. What I'm saying, this pain can be what I can say, कम किया जा सकता है इस दर्द को भी, if your daily plan is sorted. And many of the aspirants do a mistake here, they follow the same daily plan. अरे बेटा, daily plan change with the phases of the exam. From let's say until this August you will have a different daily plan, from until December you will have a different daily plan, January this February ka different daily plan, then from February onward different daily plan. And in all those 4 phases you have to follow let's say you have to balance these 4 things: current affairs, CSET, GS and optional. What I'm trying, this will be a part of Brahmastra, where we will be guiding you on your daily plan, that how you have to finally manage the things. Acha, one more thing, in Brahmastra we'll guide you over the optional. See, I've told you the levels of GS, more or less the same levels are applicable for the optional. So when I will be making a plan for you, I will be telling you the plan not only for GS, not only for optional, but for CSET also. In Brahmastra आपका बेस्ट अटेम्प्ट है, बट हमारा गोल है रैंक लाना. वी नीड रैंक्स इन द प्रोग्राम, राइट? तो द ब्रॉड आइडियोलॉजी इज not only GS, we will help you, guide you in your optional and CSET, when to start, where to do, what are the levels, कहाँ accommodate करना है, कैसे time निकालना, and all those things, right? So a Brahmastra will have the schedule. Schedule will be divided into 3 fronts: long term, periodic and daily. एक चीज अभी तक आपको समझ में आ गई होगी, that the first component of the Brahmastra is integrated prelims cum mains test series. So there will be 80 tests. 80 टेस्ट डिवाइडेड इनटू 35 मेंस टेस्ट एंड 45 प्रीलिम्स का टेस्ट, ठीक है. The first component. So now I'm coming to the component of the Brahmas. The first component of the Brahmas is integrated prelims का mains test series. 35 मेंस के टेस्ट हैं, 45 प्रीलिम्स के टेस्ट. First thing, why you should join integrated test series, not Brahmas, integrated test series at Sunya. I will give you many reasons. ठीक है. First of all, this integrated test series covers GS, SA, GS, CSET. So in mains, you have the SA incorporated. In prelims, you have the CSET incorporated. First thing, this is a one-stop solution if you're looking forward to a good test series. Test series is just a part, a component of Brahmastra. Okay? There are 5 components. I will come to all of them one by one. Now, when I'm talking about the test series at Sunya IAS, this is scientifically crafted. We'll go through the schedule now. We'll find a logic in the schedule. Let's see, once I'm covering the syllabus, then my revision is starting, then my full length is starting. So there is a definite logic in the entire syllabus, which will ensure beta you are upgrading your preparation. सिर्फ टेस्ट लगाने से नहीं होता, एक ideology you have to follow. If you're not following that ideology, you will keep on struggling, believe me. Okay? So now let's me come to the mains test. Why the mains test at Sunya IAS are different. First of all, whatever questions will be there in your test series will be highly probable, so that you are not wasting your time. You are practicing whatever is important. Second, timely evaluation. Very crucial aspect when you join any test series. You'll find many other test series which will write 5 days, 7 days, but we write 5 days, and we have delivered. Those who are from the last batch will testify, right? We have delivered the copies within 3 days, and that too personalized evaluation. Will not just write ki bhai improve introduction, improve conclusion, increase number of points, improve structure. ये evaluation Sunya IAS में नहीं होता है. A detailed, a comprehensive evaluation where we guide you whatever are the lacunas, whatever are the shortcomings, क्या कैसे improve करना है, यहाँ तक बताया जाता है हमारी evaluated copy में. ठीक है? That is where we lie different. Then when I talk about the synopsis or the model answers, we do not give you the entire chapter. We keep it as per the demand of the question. For example, the question may have, let's say, 3 parts or 4 parts. So we will be addressing those 4 parts only in the question, part by part, pointers mein. Now, the pointers may be more than the required pointers. For example, for part A, we have given, let's say, 12 points. But logically speaking, let's say if there are 4 parts, if there's a 15 marker, you may write 6 or 7 points, let's say. But we will give you 12 points so that you can, you know what I can say, have more number of points, and you can strengthen your knowledge base. Okay? So answers will be comprehensive, but to the point. Okay? So that is where the Sunya IAS test series will be making your mains preparation different. But is it all? No. The most crucial part, we give you the mentorship support here. ये आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा बेटा, नाम के लिए भले मिल जाए, but the mentorship which we give at Sunya IAS, शायद आपने कभी कहीं किसी से सुना भी होगा. We are very famous for the mentorship, especially super mentorship and the personal mentors. Okay? What I'm saying, what, for example, you completed your polity test or maybe polity and economy test. You disagree with the evaluator on 4 points or 5 points. You take your copies to the mentor and discuss with them. Sir and ma'am, the evaluator has given me these remarks. Are they valid? Evaluators are not God. So there are some critical aspects lying in the evaluation which you can discuss with your mentor and get a right direction. And there could not be anything beautiful more than this, the mains test. Yeah? Those who are writing the test, mains test, और जिसने भी पहले किया हुआ है, they will agree with me. Now, in prelims बेटा, शायद थोड़ा डर लगे, but तुम्हारे भले के लिए. This may make you a little bit fearful, but this is for your benefit. Whatever prelims test we are conducting are very brutal, and they are not to appease you. We don't want you to be happy. I mean, see, what I'm trying to say, generally क्या होता है, people in the test series ask those questions which are familiar to you. But when you will be giving your UPSC का final exam, sir and ma'am, you will hardly relate with 35 to 40 questions in which you are 100% sure. Maximum. कितना भी पढ़ लेना, हम भी कितनी मेहनत कर लें, आप भी कितनी मेहनत कर लो, ये सच्चाई है. Now for other 60 questions, you have to use the other tools, aptitude, factual, बाद में बात करेंगे. What I'm making a point, we will mimic UPSC, we will not appease you, है ना? So even if you're getting less marks, that will be the true reflection कि यार आपको अभी और मेहनत करनी. We will not give you the pseudo satisfaction. ठीक है? That is the first strength of Sunya IS prelims test series. The first strength. Second is this structure. Our entire prelims test series is divided into part-learned test, that you complete the syllabus first. Then subject-wise revision test. For polity, you have a single revision test in month of maybe December or January or maybe November. Depends at what time you join the program. Then we have the full-length test starting from the February, so that you can upgrade your prelims preparation phases. Now, if you are consistent, if you are following the entire test series, if you are giving your test on time, believe me, with the other components of Brahmas program, you will be writing a best attempt. Now, what are the other components? The second most important component of the Brahmas is Sunya notes. Some of you may ask, sir, we already have the Lakshmikant, we already have the spectrum, why you are giving us the Sunya notes? My answer is very simple, that your Lakshmikant and your spectrum or maybe the other standard books are sources. They are good for level 1 and we have to do them. But what about level 2? What if I ask you to convert the entire information in the pointers with the value addition? Your sources will not contain them. So either you will keep on highlighting them, either you will make your own notes, or you have to take some good notes. Highlight say there are issues, you may relate, redundant hota jata hai. If you are making your own notes, very time taking process. What if I give you my notes, you highlight it, you make it more summarized, then you have the final crisp exam oriented summaries with you. What will happen? Kya hoga? See, as of now what I'm saying, you have sources and multiple sources. For a single polity, you have the Lakshmikant, you have your foundation notes, you have the NCRTs, you have the current affairs, you have some mind maps, you have some prelims ka short notes, you have some mains ka short notes, you have the value addition ka files. There are 7 or 8 plethora of materials. What will happen when you are sitting to revise the polity? बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. रिलेट करो, अगर आपने टाइम दे रखा है एक सब्जेक्ट को पूरा रिवाइज करने में, या तो सिर्फ प्रीलिम्स ओरिएंटेड रिवाइज करते हो या पूरा अगर कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव रिवाइज करने जा रहे हो, बहुत टाइम लग रहा है. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू हैव डुप्लीकेटेड द सोर्सेज एंड यू हैव केप्ट देम लेंथी. अरे सिंपल लॉजिक, if I'm asking you to revise a subject from 1000 pages and I'm asking to revise the subject in the exam oriented format in 100 pages, कौन सा जल्दी होगा? 100 pages. So what we are doing in the Sunya notes, sir and ma'am, whatsoever notes are listed on the board, first of all, for mains we will give you one paper, one book. Entire syllabus is covered in the exam oriented format. Same causes, consequences, pointers, arguments, value addition, pointer, argument, value addition. That is what you have to write finally on the paper. For prelims we will give you the summaries. Same ancient history के लिए NCERT नहीं पढ़नी. NCERT, what I'm saying, for example, when you want to revise, you should not be going to the same 5 or 7 resources. No, just revise it back from here. But when you want to understand the subject, take one source, understand the subject. Conceptual clarity के लिए source रखो, but multiple revisions के लिए these are the summaries compiled from many sources. Even topper notes हैं, PYQs are there, some factual books are there, NCRTs are there, standard books are there. Many sources are compiled here in the prelims static notes. Apart from this, we have the very famous prelims current affairs. So those who are in third attempt or maybe fourth attempt or maybe second attempt, serious attempts, all of them, I can say proudly, read Sunya IS for the current affairs. You can listen to many toppers for regarding the same. So these are very concise, very, what I can say, the condensed form of current affairs. If you are in very first year, ये आपके शायद what I can say, it is out of your scope. But we will mold you to read them. अगर आपको इससे डर लग रहा है ना, बेटा भी गैप है. So with time we'll mold you so that you're comfortable in this source also. And these are nothing but the enrichment files. AI2 I remember of 2023. He recommended these notes that you would use them, you will definitely get a above average score. So data, facts, reports, example, the same enrichment tools which I was discussing. What I'm saying, this is the second component of Brahmas which you will get in the course. And the benefits, why Sunya notes, multiple revisions. Since these are compact, these are exam oriented, you can revise them multiple times. More you revise, more you recall. More you recall, more marks you get. More marks you get, better rank you get. Simple. कोई गलती है तो बता देना कमेंट सेक्शन में. बेटा ज़्यादा रिवाइज करोगे बेटर रिकॉल कर पाओगे. ज़्यादा अच्छे से रिकॉल कर पा रहे हो, ज़्यादा मार्क्स आएंगे. मार्क्स आ रहे तो रैंक आएगी. खत्म. सिंपल सी बात है. सेकंड इज एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड, सो दे कन्वर्ट योर नॉलेज इनटू मार्क्स. ठीक है. पॉवर्टी के पॉइंटर्स गांधी जी का सेम इन दैट फॉर्मेट आई डिस्कस विद यू द पॉइंटर्स. Then they will consolidate multiple sources so that you save time. You should not go for, let's say, 10 books for the geography. We have done it for you. We have consolidated everything which you can revise. You can make your preparation effective and efficient. Okay. Then the next is you do not miss anything. बहुत important है, छोटा point है पर बहुत important है. आपने अपना foundation किया, अब आपने environment किया. 10 क्लास हुई या 7 हुई, 7 क्लास में they finished off your environment, the entire environment. नहीं है possible. They have missed something. 100% लिखवा लो मुझसे. Are you getting my point? So if you don't want to miss anything, we have given you the framework, we have given the skeleton, we have given the revision notes. But beta, this is the entire syllabus. So you have the parameter so that you don't fear कि यार मेरा कुछ miss हो गया होगा. ठीक है. So that is the beauty of these Sunya notes. Third component which you might have understood as of now is one-to-one mentorship. और यहाँ mentorship नाम के लिए नहीं होती. ठीक है. When I am saying one-to-one mentorship, you can call the mentor, reach out the mentor, and get your issues sorted. You have issues in subject, you have issues in, let's say, time management, you have some other issues which you want to discuss with us. Sir, ये पढ़ना है या नहीं पढ़ना? Sir, I am not able to do the answer writing. Sir, I am not able to get score in the economy. Sir, I am not able to get from where I have to do the ethics. All those issues will be catered by highly qualified mentors. One-to-one mentors. So that whenever you have something which is stuck in your preparation or maybe your mind, you're getting an answer. Okay. One-to-one mentorship is a part, very important component. And if you remember, I told you in the copies, mains answer copies. So if you want to discuss your copies with a mentor, sir, finally after evaluation, where I am going wrong, that you can do with the personal mentor. Then strategic study plan, I told you, see here only. If you remember, long term I will be making periodic, will be tied with the integrated prelims cum mains test series, and mentors will be helping you here. Then daily plan, again I will come into the picture and I will get it sorted. Okay. So these are the 3 things which you will be getting in the program. Then most important part of Brahmas program, and this I cannot quantify. देखो बुक्स की अगर मैं बात करूँ या नोट्स की बात करूँ, मैं बताऊंगा आपको यार, मेंस की आपको 4 किताबें मिलेंगी, प्रीलिम्स की you will get 11 books. In this section I cannot quantify things. I myself take almost all the sessions. Some of them you can find on YouTube. Some of them you might have heard from your friends. कभी शायद आपने कभी मेरे को YouTube वगैरह पे देख लिया हो. What I am saying, we give more than 100% in these sessions, and we ensure whatever are the loopholes, whatever are the areas which are black or maybe gray in your preparation, we are tackling all those areas. In this current batch 2025 or the last batch for you, I have tackled all of them. We have done answer writing. You can hear the testimonials. From basics I start. कुछ भी नहीं आता ना, आप बैठो. From basics I will start. I will push it up to the structures, then I will push it up to the mark, then finally PYQs, so that you are aware about एक पैराग्राफ के बाद क्या लिखना है, उसके बाद क्या लिखना है, उसके बाद क्या लिखना है. Not only for GS, I myself will take your sessions on essay writing. More than sufficient. आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Will tackle all the worksheet, all the essay through the worksheet. Many toppers. Yeah, 13 I remember, 16 I remember, Many toppers in the past have followed my course for the essay writing, and believe me, that is one stop solution. See, I'm not listing you the courses which you will be getting, I'm just making a point. I will be your super mentor in the Brahmas program. In that, first of all, answer writing, then enrichment. Day long sessions I will be taking which will enrich your answers. Then you can see the example on YouTube. Data and facts session is there on the YouTube. Then we have the revision session. For example, for the last year batch, I conducted mains revision ka boot camp. So see, I realized that this is required and this is not there in your coaching, in foundation, in books. So we made the skeleton, we made the frameworks. With those notes, we made you revise the entire mains. Now that is something which is out of the box, right? That I know that this is the dark area and we are plugging it. Okay, you are not done with the mains, you are done with the 100% of the mains preparation with the notes which are more than sufficient, very concise, precise, and you made them with your own hand through the skeleton. Okay. Then we have the ethics case study ka sessions. Then we have some prelim session. For example, you can see my Samadhan session on the YouTube. We have the bootcamp plan, reverse bootcamp plan, okay, during the prelims phases. Then essay I have told you. Then we have the PYQ sessions for the prelims ka. Let's say we conduct the sessions from January onwards. For mains, I myself take the sessions. That what should be the ideology to tackle all the mains ka questions. Subject wise, I will be taking the sessions for you. Okay. Then strategy sessions, countless. You can see GS2 decoding. You can see basics of this UPSC and all those sessions on the YouTube. So there will be subsequent strategy sessions. How to attempt the prelims ka test, how to find the accuracy in the prelims test, in mains when you are stuck, and all those बहुत बातें करेंगे बहुत, so that finally your knowledge is converting into marks and your marks is converting into a rank, given the fact you are giving your 100% efforts under Brahmas program. ठीक है? So that is it from my side. शायद थोड़ा बोर कर दिया होगा, but बहुत मजा आने वाला है सेशंस में. So looking forward to give a best attempt. Understand the components पहले. Make a mindset. भाई मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. Then get yourself in as soon as possible. ये मत समझना जून में जाएंगे, जुलाई में जाएंगे, बेटा लेट हो जाता है, फिर मेरे को टाइम कम मिलेगा. ठीक है? अगर जून, जुलाई, अगस्त में भी आप एडमिशन लेते हो, यू आर मोर देन वेलकम, बट थोड़ी ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, है ना? तो इफ यू वांट टू रजिस्टर, either you can WhatsApp or call. See, if you are calling us in the office hours, we will pick up the call. But if you will WhatsApp, surely we will reach out back to you for whatever queries you have. Sir, prelims के टेस्ट हम let's say flexible है या नहीं है, हैं, ठीक है? तो all those queries की hybrid हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता, कैसे देना है, कहाँ का दे सकते हैं, सब चीज़ you can ask us on this number. WhatsApp us. If not on WhatsApp, call us. Otherwise, visit our website www.sunya.is. जाइए, रजिस्ट्रेशन ले लीजिए. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव एनी डाउट्स, अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्रोग्राम, अ प्रोग्राम विच विल डेफिनेटली इंश्योर कि फाउंडेशन के बाद वाली दुनिया यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन की आप टैकल कर पाए. ठीक है? वेबसाइट पे जाते ही विल फाइंड द ऑप्शन ऑफ ब्रह्मास्त्र. अदर देन दैट, द थर्ड ऑप्शन इज यू कैन विजिट अस ऑफलाइन. If you're, let's say, living around the Delhi, if you want to register at the offline center, you visit us, you see the brochure, you ask with the team, you talk with the mentors, you meet me, you meet other mentors, you see how the things will be conducted, then you get yourself in. Okay, so see you in the batch. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you will find a form in the description. Fill that form. Thank you.